Hello everyone, and welcome to iqvw64e.sys channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the iqvw64e.sys cannot load on this device error. And now let's get started. First, we will attempt a system file checker scan. Open the Windows search bar, type command prompt, and then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will scan your system files and attempt to repair any corrupt or missing files. If the system file checker scan does not resolve the issue, we can try using System Restore. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and then navigate to Recovery. Within the Recovery options, click on Open System Restore. This will launch the System Restore wizard. Click on Next to proceed. You will then be presented with a list of available restore points. Choose a restore point that you know was created when your system was functioning correctly. After selecting a restore point, click on Next again. Finally, click on Finish to begin the restore process. You will be prompted to confirm your choice, so click on Yes to proceed with the system restore. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.